Hi and welcome to the second part of building a CRUD application with Missouri. In the first part, you can remember we've just did the database connection. As you can see, I've just run it before and I got DB connection succeeded, so my connection to the database is done right now. So now we're going to run our server. So first, I've installed the Express library, as you can see here in the package.json. And I've created the server.js file where I can store my server. So here I've just called the Express library using the require function as usual and pass it to the app constant. Here I have to set the view engine and the EJS. Also view engine and EJS must be installed right here, the dependencies. Here I've used app.use and express.url encoded and extended will be set to false. This is just to start to running your server. Other than that, you cannot pass any data to your server. So next, if you run your local host right now without this part, you'll get the cannot get error. So I've just get app.lesson for the port number 13 so I can start in my server. So because you don't want to have the cannot get error, you have to prepare your routes. As you can see here, I've prepared app.get for the route. This is our home route. And then for sure we'll take a request and response function and the callback function. We did a response.render for the index.js. Index.js, this is what I've created here as my initial view in the view from the views folder. And then app.get also for the login page in the sign up page. This is where I did right here. I'm going to show you the login and the sign up. So let's get to the sign up page. I've created a form and I get the action with to sign up. The method is going to be post because we're going to post data and send it to our database. Here the label I've given for the name, email, type of email, password, type of password, and a second box for the password, which is password match. We're going to compare it with this password for the user, and the type also is password and the address and many other values that you want to provide. So this is nothing for me in this form, and then I've created a button type submit and called sign up. And here in the login.js, I made the same. I made it a form just to enter the email and the password and also a button called submit. Here, as you can see, I've created a link to this page. So from the login page, you can go to the sign up page, and this is the link we made called the link called sign up. And the same in the sign up page, you can go to the login page. I'm going to show you this in the server, just localhost 3000, and here's the initial page that you say right here. Okay, in this is the index.js. If I'm gonna go for the sign up page, as you can see here, this is the form that we've created and the link that goes to the login page, so I can just move between them. So now we need this to start posting our data. So here I'm going to enter any name like dummy data and email, password, and repeat the password and any address. I'm going to sign up. It will do nothing. But I've done here is in the server.js I post the sign up. So here we just to make sure that post function you have to implement it and make sure that's working. We're gonna make the request dot body dot name. This is how you access the name here in the sign up page. The name is the name and the name is email. So this is what you're gonna provide here after the body. So let me just make it console.log just to make sure that it's working. This is the data we're going to be sending to our database, but just to make sure that it's working, I'm just give it to a console and go to my localhost again. refresh, but the name says Celine, any dummy email, any password, any repeat, an address, sign up, waiting for localhost. So if you want to go to the get pass, I've got here Celine. So it is working. The post method is working now for the name. Let's try the same thing for console.log for any other password form, request.body.password, and also the same thing for the password match, and also for the address. Save it and go to the go to the localhost, the sign up form, put any data that you want. Okay. Sign up. Okay. Sign up. So here we go to the get pass. So we got, this is the name that we entered, the password match, and the address. So now I made sure that the post method is working. So now we can go ahead and start sending this data to our database instead. And this is it for this part of the video. We've just run the server and created the HTML forms for the login and sign up, which is the register page, and we'll see you next time.